Life is not a perfect show, but a journey of highs and lows. We face storms and accidents, but we also find joy and contentment. We have flaws and fears, but we also have strength and tears. We make mistakes and suffer pain, but we also learn and grow again. We need courage and gratitude to face our battles and solitude. We need forgiveness and love to heal our wounds and rise above. We are not victims or heroes, but authors of our own destinies. We are not alone or isolated, but connected and appreciated. Happiness is not just luck or chance, but found in growth in life's expanse. It is not a sky forever bright, but a rainbow glowing after You could repeat the final chorus with a soft fade out on, emphasizing the message and giving it a full circle feel musically.